In this video, we're going to talk about how you can find your wallet address in Kraken. First, you will need to sign into your account and verify your identity if you haven't done so already. Once you have verified your identity, then you will be able to look at the different cryptocurrencies here, and you just want to select the cryptocurrency which you want to purchase. So, for example, let's try to do Bitcoin. In order to purchase cryptocurrency or sell it, you will need to be verified, like I said. And here, if you click on transfer at the top right and withdraw or deposit, then you will be able to find your wallet address. And that way you can send some crypto to your own wallet, or you can take out crypto from your Kraken wallet and send it to another cryptocurrency wallet. But like I said, you will need to be verified, and this is where you will be able to find it. I hope this answers your question. Leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you next time.